Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Obsidian for beginners 2025 full tutorial. So guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm going to be showing you how you can make use of an Obsidian. Alright, so your first step would be to open up your browser. So go ahead and open up your browser and make sure you simply search for where we have obsidian.md/download. So it's quite simple. Just go ahead and search for Obsidian. Obsidian is basically a tool that can help you organize your notes, ideas, and knowledge in one powerful app. So that's Obsidian. And once you're on obsidian.md/download, go ahead and click on download for your computer version. If it's Mac, you'd see the option for Mac. If it's Android, there's the Android, there's Linux or Linux, and Windows. So go ahead and simply click on download. And once you've downloaded it, just go ahead and open up the file show in folder. So let me go ahead and open up the folder. So open up downloads and you'd find the Obsidian installation application. So just go ahead and double click on it. And then where we have choose installation options, go ahead and make sure everyone on your computer has access if you want, or select the option for only yourself. And then go ahead and proceed with the installation. And once Obsidian is installed, you'd find it on your home screen here. So let's go ahead and open up Obsidian. All right, so once Obsidian opens, you're met with the Obsidian application. So we have the option to create a new vault, open folder as vault, and open vault from Obsidian Sync, meaning you have to sign in. So basically, think of the Obsidian Vault as your notebook or a book where you can store your info and things like that. Also, this is offline. I have to mention, this is actually offline. All right, so where we have create new vault, go ahead and click on create. And create local vault name location. So you can select the location for where your notes should be stored. Let's just go ahead and browse this. It's going to open up our file explorer. So yeah, documents and select. So we can give it a vault. Let's just call it, we can give the vault a name and then go ahead and click on create. All right, so welcome to Obsidian. All right, so this is your new vault. Make a note of something, create a link, or try the importer. And then when you're ready, delete this note and make your vault your own. So this is the first note that's here. You can use this option to create a new note. You can create a new folder. You can change the sort order. You can also auto reveal current file, I guess. All right, and this is your files. This is collapse, okay? All right, so the first step we're going to be taking on Obsidian is going to create a new note. So we have untitled here. Let's just give it an idea. Let's just give it a new title. So all right, so once you've given it a title, you can see on the graph view we have new ideas. It's not currently linked to anything right now. We have the welcome note, which we just saw a couple of minutes ago under the folders. Under your files we have welcome. So on the right hand side of your computer you'd see the graph view that showcases all your connections. So Obsidian has like this really cool effect where you can connect various nodes together to kind of form like a universe or a webbing or a solar system, basically. All right, so once you've given your new node a title, we also have the option to add markdowns. So markdowns are basically kind of like how you can edit text. So we have headings, bolds, italics, bullet points, all that good stuff. Like now I have something here. So once you just highlight it and right click, you have the option to bolden this. You also have the option to right click again. You can italicize, I guess. Right click again and you can make this a bullet. You can make this a bullet point, things like that. So that's how you can basically edit your text on Obsidian. So you can have like a bunch of text and you can format it in a manner that is, good with you. All right, so that's everything about creating your first note. And now we have the option of linking notes. So in order to link a note, let me go ahead and create a new note. Let's just go ahead and create a new note. So you can go about creating a link really easily. All you need to do is, okay, so let's say you have a page on your computer and you're looking for how you can, you know, easily share your link and things like that. How you can easily connect your notes. All you need to do is just open up a bracket, make sure it's two brackets, and then where we have, you'll see the titles of your notes here. So just go ahead and select one note. And now we're on new ideas and we linked it to untitled canvas. Now, if you were to head over to open graph view, or let's use this, you'd find this kind of connection between new ideas and untitled canvas. But new ideas is also connected to create link. So this is the main notebook, and then these are the connections. You can have as many connections as you want on your notes. All right, guys, so that's everything about creating a link. Now, the next thing I want to show you is the graph view, which we're already familiar with. You can access the graph view on the left-hand side of your Functions tab. So at the top left, just underneath Open Quick Switcher, just click on Open Graph View, and you can have a view of your connections, of your graphs. All right. As for organizing folders and tags, you can do this by simply creating a folder and then showing and then adding the tags. So this is a folder. So let's go ahead and create a folder and give it a name. Okay guys, so another thing you can do on Obsidian is to create a tag, and what tags are simply used for is you can have multiple notes and you're looking for a way to link them other than the normal link. You could have tags that you could easily type into the note as you're typing or studying, and once you search for it, it's going to bring up these notes. So what you can do is, let's go ahead and create a tag. So I have a couple of tags here. As you can see, this hashtag personal, that's a tag. And let's see if I can find another. Hashtag tags, that is a tag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can create a tag. So like this, we have a tag here. Now all I need to do is just use the hashtag and simply type in or create, or you can simply type in and create a new tag, or you can include an existing tag. So creating a new tag, let's just call it. All right, and that's a new tag. Now, if you were to head over to an empty note, let's head over to an empty note. All right, something like this, and you now enter the hashtag again. Now you can find, you can now select a tag, an existing tag you want to place or add to this note. So let's go with personal. Now, if you were to use the search at the top of your screen, click on search and then simply type in anything. Let's just put in tags, type in tags, and you can simply search for the tags you have created. So we have again personal and tags. So on this menu we have personal. So let's search for the tag or notes that have again, and you'd find something like this here, which would take you directly to the note. So guys, that's how you can make use of Obsidian. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.